Hello my dear friends, welcome back to our Redbugs YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wall picture like this. So let's see what we want for this. We want a black A4 paper, and to the black A4 I have put 4 lines with A4 and yellow color felt paper and a green color glitter paper, and I have taken some beads and some flowers and some felt paper couple packet. These products I have taken from Redbug. So then I have taken a scissor and a glue bottle. Let's see how we can make this. First you take the thing made with felt paper, this lady, and cut it. Then you have to apply some glue. You have to paste it in middle. Take the yellow color felt paper and draw a small crown, and you can cut it. Now you cut the small crown. Here the crown, then apply some glue on it, then you paste. After that, before I told I have taken some beautiful flowers here, then apply some glue then you can paste like this. See how I'm going to paste that. This is how we made the beautiful frock with the flowers, and I took a cord from Redbug products. So we are going to make a small necklace from this. Cut a small piece. Apply some glue. Then paste it like this. I have taken some beads, half beads. So you can apply some glue on the flower, then you can paste. Now you can take the glitter paper and cut some small leaves. Like this. I have taken few. Then apply some glue inside and outside also. Then you can paste them. So last we have to take the pen and draw 2 eyes and the mouth. Okay, this is how we made the wall art. See, this frock I made with the flowers. All these things I brought from Redbug products. So you can make this beautiful wall art at home. So you can subscribe our YouTube channel and like and comment. Thank you.